clever and useful they are. There you go. We'll meet at the edge of the forbidden forest. We'll have to round up the scoops before they set fire to anything else. They just don't know what they're doing.
Here we go! Woo! Woo!
Arthur warned me about those bikes, but I didn't think they'd take Ollie into the forbidden forest. Just hang on. Oh, and don't mind Fluffy. His parts are worse than his bikes. No, don't panic. I'll just, lost power. I've got you. Don't worry. Reparo. Sorry. What's great shakes and magic.
Oh. Woo.
Oh, Craigie, you're tangled in devil's snare. Repeat. Lumos Solen after me. Lumos Solen.
Lumos Solen.
That was close. Oh, you found my message. Let's be getting you out of here before you get blasted. Now, hit those buttons. Dragon fire started.
Oh, man.
Well, I'll be. There's a unicorn. And look, she's a mum. Really lucky thing to see such a sight in the wild. But Merlin's beard, we did see Vixie.